Okay, so we just got done with a 30-minute 30-minute test here. Front bearings are now definitely warmer. We got 108. Back bearings a little bit warmer. 115. So we may dial those off one tooth or so. I mean, they're definitely warm. I can put my arm on them. I'm not burning myself. It's warm, but not too bad. So if we go in here, we've had some decent success. Definitely got some drag on the spindle by hand. This is a tenths indicator. So there's 0. So if we go through, there's our top center. We got 1/10. We got about 1/10. No, 1/10 and a half. Almost 2/10, which I think, considering where we were, that is absolutely fantastic. And then if we put a bar underneath and pry up, this one's not nearly as good. You know, I can still get almost 1,000th out of it, but that's still, I mean, I'm putting some serious weight on that, and I think we're good. The question is that temperature good, or do we back it off one tooth? But other than that, I'm really happy with these class 3 bearings. I know they weren't sold as a package, but for what they cost, the front set, I think together was $500. The back set, I found them on eBay. Somebody had mislabeled them. They just had it listed as a regular bearing, and when you looked at the photos, it actually had the 3 stamped in it. So I think I got both of the back bearings for less than $100. The cup and cone, I mean. So, good deal.